Hi there, welcome to Mechanical Engineering Department of DKTE. First time here at DKTE? Come on, let me show you around. Mechanical Engineering is one of the core branches started in 1992 with 60 intake. Being autonomous institute, DKTE offers the latest curriculum designed and curated for industry standards. This gives students an edge into niche learning areas and a chance to practically widen the learning skills. Now why mechanical, you ask? Mechanical engineering is a discipline where there will always be a demand for skilled engineers. We have more career options than any other engineering graduate. Aerospace industries, automotive industries, infrastructures, armed forces, production units or manufacturing industries, government agencies and many more. Mechanical engineers have high demand worldwide since all the countries require skilled mechanical professionals who can contribute to their growth. If you are looking forward to working in foreign countries, Germany and US have highest demand for mechanical engineers and they are top in terms of pay. In Mechanical Engineering Department, you get a chance to explore and expand every aspect of your personality and professional career, may that be your skills or your network. Dynamic curricular structure based on both global and local needs, along with internships and hands-on experience, will give an abundant source of value to your personal as well as professional life. Well-guided and experienced faculty is a valuable resource to the department who will transform engineering students into competent professionals. Advanced technology and innovations are included considering rapid changes in the technology, and all the labs are curated to aid the curiosity of our dear students. The Center of Competence in Automation stands for helpful for the students to leverage basics of automation and its implementation to solve complex engineering problems. The Engine and Fuel Research Laboratory is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities to support the students and researchers to pursue research of various types of fuels and assess the performance of such fuels in various types of engines. Many projects to develop a problem-solving approach and inclusion of MOOCs to develop a self-learning attitude are an essential part of your learning experience to build your skills and make you ready for the real challenge. You will also get a huge benefit from rich industry institute partnerships with partners like Thermax, Goshima, Tata Technologies Limited. The students are always motivated and sponsored for the projects from industries and converting their ideas into patents. And along with all of this, information and guidance is provided to students about the opportunities available in India and abroad after graduation, along with scholarships such as research scholarships, teaching assistantships, part-time jobs, etc. Guidance for various competitive exams like GRE, TOEFL, GATE, MPSC, UPSC, CAT, CET, and training in foreign languages like French, German, Japanese, and along with English is also provided in order to help students bag every opportunity they desire. As a common facility embedded in the institution, the Idea Lab will make engineering graduates more imaginative and creative, besides getting basic training in 21st century skills like critical thinking, problem solving, research, collaboration, communication, lifelong learning, etc. Idea Lab is serving an empowering infrastructure for faculty to devolve into multidisciplinary education and research. Students can utilize these labs and strive for identifying problems, projects, and internships. AICTE DKT Idea Lab is costing 112.82 lakh. AICTE provided 50% and 50% from industrial collaboration. DKT Idea Lab provides all facilities under one roof for conversion of an idea into a prototype. The idea need not to be always new, which will always be encouraged, but the emphasis would be on graduating engineers working on their hands using equipments, tools and consumables. The focus will be on training students so that they become imaginative and creative and stay so that workplaces they join. Our seniors and alumni have got admission to many reputed universities like Eastern Michigan University, North Carolina University, Philadelphia University in USA, Aachen University, Stuttgart University, Weingarten University in Germany, Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology Australia, Leeds University UK, etc. And they have also succeeded to get scholarships and assistantships in USA and other countries of the world. You get a lot of opportunities to show your spark and get to be recruited through campaigns like contest-based hiring, project-based hiring, internships and many campus recruitments. By the way, did you know who came last year to recruit our students? Mercedes-Benz, one of our female students got selected for Mercedes-Benz with the highest package of rupees 9 lakh per annum. Isn't it exciting? So what are you waiting for? Come join us here at DKTE Mechanical Engineering Department and let us together have the best time of our life while building a bright future for ourselves. For more details regarding the admission process, you can contact Professor Dr. V.D. Shinde sir and Professor A.R. Balwan sir. Happy admissions to everyone.